Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we are looking at Exploding Kittens Original Edition. This is from 2022 and ages 7 and up, 2 to 5 players, takes about 15 minutes. And inside we're going to find the instructions and 56 cards. So let's open this up and see what we've got here. This game was a Kickstarter game originally, and they're bragging on the box that it's the #1 most backed Kickstarter ever. So I guess there's a lot of people that hate cats out there. Box quality's pretty good. Alright, here's the rules. Well, that's a fold out. Lame. It is in color at least, but it's kind of lazy to be a fold out. This thing's going to get beat up pretty bad. It is fairly thick, but it's kind of, feels kind of cheap. Alright, here we've got a, I don't know, some kind of sheet. It's got code on it. I don't know. I don't care about the code, so whatever. And then here is our tray with the cards inside. Time Stories has really screwed up my perspective on what's in these boxes. Thank you, Time Stories. I will never forgive you for that. Ooh, this thing is a pain in the butt. Alright, don't take that out. That thing's a pain. Alright, let's take a look at our deck of cards. Jeez, this thing's a pain to get open. Alright, finally. Alright, so there's the back of the deck. Let's see what we've got here. We got shuffle. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Next up we have another shuffle with a different image. Alright, here's a little twister one. Plague of Bats. Attack ×2, fire the Crabapult. Unleash the Caterwaukie. So their attack card. Awaken the Baradactyl. These do say Original Edition on the side here. I guess there's expansions. Attack 1000-Year Backhair. Diffuse via laser pointer. 3 AM Flatulence. Diffuse. Another Diffuse Kitten Therapy. Diffuse Kitten Yoga. Diffuse Belly Rubs. Diffuse Catnip Sandwiches. See the Future, Ask the All-Seeing Goat Wizard. See the Future, Rub the Belly of a Pigacorn. Nope, win the Nobel Peace Prize. Nope, nope, Ninja delivers a wicked dragon kick. Nope, nope, Stradamus speaks the truth. Nope, a Jackanope bounds into the room. There's a very fat creature there. Nope. Feed your opponent a nope sandwich with extra nope sauce. See the future, summon the mantis shrimp. See the future, deploy the special ops bunnies. I can't talk today. See the future, feast upon a unicorn enchilada and gain its enchilada powers. Skip, don a portable cheetah butt. Skip, commandeer a bunny raptor. Skip, engage the hyper goat. I'm just getting silly now. Skip, crab walk with some crabs. Rainbow Ralphing cat. Another rainbow Ralphing cat. A third one. A fourth one. Taco cat. It's a palindrome. A second taco cat. A third taco cat. A fourth taco cat. A catermelon. A second catermelon. A third catermelon. A fourth catermelon. Beard cat. Second beard cat. A third beard cat. A fourth beard cat. Hairy potato cat. A second one. A third one. Predictably a fourth one. Favor, take your friend's beard sailing on your beard boat. Favor, get enslaved by party squirrels. Favor, ask for a back hair shampoo. It's a big favor. Favor, rub peanut butter on your belly button and make some new friends. Exploding kitten. Another exploding kitten, but a different image. A third one, also with a different image. And finally, a fourth exploding kitten with a different image. So there are 4 exploding kitten cards, but unlike the others, these have obviously a different image. That's why I said that. Overall, the card quality is pretty nice. Not really my theme kind of game. I find the art to be a little bit lazy looking. It has that kind of Cal art style that I find to be kind of half-hearted and not really for me. But it looks like a pretty straightforward game, just not my thing. This usually seems to go for a fair amount of money, which I think is a bit exorbitant most of the time. If you're going to pick this up, I'd say don't spend more than $8 on it. But it's because there's only 56 cards, and that doesn't seem like you're getting a lot for your money. But the card quality is okay. It's pretty good, I would say. Not the best, but pretty good. The box is well constructed. The images, I think, are kind of poorly drawn. Overly simplistic and kind of cutesy garbage. So it's not really my kind of art, but I know there's a lot of people that like this style of art. So, and it's trying to be gross, but I don't find it to be that successful at that endeavor. So, not for me, but I suppose there's a younger crowd that likes this sort of thing. But I still won't pay too much for it. But that is going to do it for this episode. We've seen what's in the box. You've heard my take on it. And that is all that this show is, because it's about what's inside. So thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews and unboxings. And if you'd like to support the channel in other ways, links are in the description for various support methods. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.